Bruxism. What is the bruxism? Bruxism is a parafunction of the masticatory system produced by sudden and unconscious lateral movements, which occur at night during sleep or during the day. Cause. It is not fully elucidated but strongly associated with stress, anxiety, and sleep apnea. We also find it in states of hyperactivity or competitiveness. Is a frequent consequence of consuming soft foods as a compensation for not using adequate masticatory force. Consequences: joint and dental pain during the day without discovering a real precise localized cause. Dental cracks and even molar fractures, endangering the integrity of teeth with large fillings. Erosion of the central incisal teeth with dentinal exposure generating a risk of caries and a real aesthetic problem. Dental mobility followed by avulsion. Treatment. The first and most urgent measure is to reduce the damage by applying a splint at night. Heart diet during the day. Many hazelnut seeds. Stress reduction techniques. In extremes, there is the option of injecting Botox into the masseter muscle to partially reduce the strength of this muscle.